Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add poll in Telegram channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. After that, you can scroll down until you find the channel where you are an admin, and then you can just get into the channel to start creating a poll. All you have to do now is hit right there at that paperclip icon to bring up that features that actually shows you photos from your camera roll, and that toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Right here you can easily find that poll icon. You can just tap on that to start creating a poll. So first you have to do is to ask a question. You can just type in here any question that you want, and after that you can set some options here. Just tap where it says option to create the first one, and in that simple way you can add up to 9 options to the poll. Once you finished with that, you can enable multiple answers. If you hit at that feature, you can toggle on this feature, and in that case one person can select multiple answers among the options that you set before. Also, there is quiz mode. You can enable it, and now your poll must have one correct answer. You can select it in that way, and once you finished with that, you can just hit right here at send button to public that poll to your channel. And now any user, including you, can vote on that poll in that simple way. And also right here towards the bottom of the poll you can check the amount of people that has already answered, and let's say now you want to remove that poll. All you have to do in that case is just hold down on that poll. That gives you that options. Also, you can react to that poll if you want, and any user from the channel can react. And if you want to remove that poll, you can just hit right here at delete feature to delete that poll from your channel. Just select delete for everyone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.